Hey guys, welcome back to the Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with TNC Coin Airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com and click on TNC Coin here. So TNC Coin Airdrop is 10 million TNC worth of $265 to the community members. To participate, complete the simple social media task. Submit your details to the airdrop form to receive 1000 TNC tokens worth of $265 to each airdrop participant. So TNC IT Solution Group is airdropping 10 million TNC tokens in total, which is this much worth, guys, to 10,000 community members. So please rush up, guys. Don't miss the $265 dollars. All right, so there are 7 simple steps to complete the registration procedure, and then since they are giving such a big number of tokens, why don't we know a little bit about the TNC coin? Well, yeah, let's go here about the TNC coin. So TNC IT Solution Group is a blockchain project profiling the potential of blockchain and cryptocurrency by collaborating with the industry leaders to withstand the industry's current challenges and pave the way for the future of crypto. Through mergers and acquisitions, M&A 500 companies will be chosen to be absorbed into TNC Super Company. Its Solutions Group has collaborated with 3 major blockchain projects that develop the following apps: Aladdin Wallet, Aladdin Pro, and Buy Aladdin, and Token Coin. So each one is made to deliver to specific services for the benefit of the blockchain community. So if you want to know more about the TNC project, just click here to go to the website, guys. You can see here the website address. All right, so yes, let's start with step number 1 for the registration procedure. Join the Telegram group. So click here to join the Telegram group. All right, now click open in web. Now click on join button here. You can see how I've been joined successfully. Then step number 2, follow them on Twitter. Click here to follow them on Twitter. Click on follow button here. Step number 3, like and follow them on Facebook. Click here to like and follow them on Facebook. All right, so click on like button here. Now step number 4, follow them on Instagram. Click here to follow them on Instagram. Click on follow button here. All right, step number 5, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click here to subscribe to the YouTube channel of TNC Coin Airdrop. Click on subscribe button here. Now step number 6, guys, this is really important step. So download the app, Android or iOS app for the iPhone users, Apple users. Here, click here to go. If you're using an Android, or if you're a Apple user, click here and download the app and get instructions here to create a Aladdin Pro wallet. So the wallet you have to download is a Aladdin Pro wallet, and click here to know the instructions. See, guys, if you have any issues in creating the wallet, here you can find the instructions. So follow all the instructions. This is very easy, don't get confused. And while creating a wallet, you will be receiving a passphrase. Please note the passphrase somewhere, guys, because if you miss sometimes, probably you cannot recover. So kindly make a note of the all passphrases whenever you create a wallet or any other important thing. All right, so once again I'm showing you this. Here is the place you can find the how to get the TNC group token wallet address. Just check here. And then step number 7, submit the Aladdin Pro wallet and other details to the airdrop form. So click here to go to the airdrop form. This is the airdrop form again. Don't get confused for the it's the same window actually. Now give a Telegram profile link. So my Telegram profile link is so this is my Telegram profile link, and give your Facebook profile link, guys. So my Facebook profile link is here. This is my Facebook profile link. Simply copy and paste it here. Now please provide your LinkedIn profile link. So I have to give my LinkedIn profile link. So probably I'll be giving my LinkedIn profile link from here. So here you can see I have given my Telegram profile link, and then Facebook profile link, and then LinkedIn profile link, as well as a Twitter profile link. Now please keep the Instagram profile link. Now let me get my Instagram profile link from here. Alright, this is my Instagram profile link. Now please give your YouTube link. My YouTube link is this. Alright. So as I always say, guys, before submitting the airdrop form, please have a look on the details which you have given before submitting. Right? Yes, I have given proper information. Now so now click on the download Aladdin Pro wallet. Yes, I have already downloaded, so I just clicked it here. Now give the registered email address. So this is my registered email address, desiairdrops@gmail.com. Now give your TNC group token wallet address. So see guys, this is a wallet address which you have created from the Aladdin Pro wallet from the step here. Alright, from the step number 6. Now I have copied my wallet address here. So you also please copy all your wallet address somewhere in the wherever you store. Alright, so this is my wallet address. Now click on submit button. You can see here my TNC airdrop request has been received. So I will be getting approved from the administrators of TNC airdrop. Alright. So yes, so we have completed successfully all the simple seven steps, and yeah, well, that's all guys about the registration procedure for TNC coin airdrop. If you like the TNC coin airdrop, don't forget to upvote and comment below. Please follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.